are heading to our first camping trip. Valen's in the back. Ozzy. Full house in here. Even got the baby. Hey guys, so we are at King Philip's in Lake George area, and we are at campsite. Let's take a look. V28. So not bad. We've already started setting up. The puppies are doing very well. So it's raining. Yay. Say hi. We got a lovely fire. Hi, Ozzy dog. Hi, Phelan. Hi. It's snowing. But we have a fire to keep us warm. And we're gonna play a little game of beanbag. Did I mention it's cold? Yeah. Let's see. I got one last time. Oh, all right. I'm sorry. Nope. No, wait. It's 10. What was the score?
Like 45-6.
No, it wasn't. I had 21 and you had 29.
Double, triple digits in it.
Let's make a gluten-free, dairy-free s'more. So I found these gluten-free, nut-free, dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, everything free. We'll see how it tastes. And I always do the Enjoy Life chocolate-covered bars. So it's all prepared, ready for the marshmallow. And we're gonna roast the marshmallows. It's on fire.
Hey, get away from there.
Marshmallow on. Good. Using this to heat up the chocolate. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see. Leave it a couple minutes. See if it melts. I think we did it. I think it's good. Let's check it out. Didn't work. Still good. As you can see, we are basically alone this weekend. So we are back home from our first weekend camping. It was very cold. Some parts was rain, some parts was snow, a lot of wind. So we really didn't do much. There wasn't much to do anyway, since everything is still kind of closed. But we were able to enjoy the fire. We had s'mores, we cooked hot dogs, we played a couple games and the dogs got to experience camping, especially Phelan. This is her first year of camping, so we wanted to make sure that she was gonna, be well behaved with people and not bark a lot and that sort of thing. And she did an amazing job. She only barked a couple times, but it was very low. It was really just kind of a saying hi to people. The campsite, the playground was closed. The bathrooms were closed, so you definitely needed a camper that had a bathroom. We have one, so we didn't have any issue with that. There was really, I think there was maybe a couple other campers there. We only saw like a couple people every now and then that would like walk around. Other than that, we were by ourselves, so it was very, very quiet. Saw a chipmunk, We didn't go anywhere in town besides Oscar's, which is in Warrensburg, and they have a bunch of smoked meat and things. They have like 3-year-old cheese, 7-year-old cheese there, hamburger, steak, chicken, pepperonis to die for, along with the cheese. So if you go there, make sure you grab those 2 items, the cheese and the pepperoni. Fantastic. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick. This is Oscar's pepperoni, and I mean, look at how much we eat. But this stuff is wonderful. And let me show you. So this is actually I think this is the 7-year-old cheese. They didn't have the 14, they had 3 and 7, I believe. But I mean, yeah, it's good. Otherwise, we just stayed right at camp. Last night was Saturday night, which we were there, and it was just really cold. It was snowing. It was very windy, so we ended up watching TV in the camper. So we really didn't do much last night, but it all worked out. We were nice and warm and things in there, so it was all good. So we will be camping this weekend, and we'll actually have the other kids, our kids, with us. So we'll have the younger ones. I say younger, they're all teenagers, with us this weekend, hopefully along with some other family members that you guys will get to see. And I'm not sure if anything will be open this weekend, but we will definitely find out. And if anything is, we will gladly let you know. So we'll see you guys later, and enjoy your journey. Bye.